Ako po, sir.
Sino?
Miss Cordova po.
Bea, ikaw na. O
Yes
sige,
po.
Bea Alonso, sige, you may start sharing, then proceed with the presentation.
Okay po.
Ay, Bea Binene pala, sorry.
Okay, am I loud and clear po? So, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Bea Cordova, and along with my partner, Miss Alexis Carion, will discuss about naming your website and file name. So, next please. So first, what are our learning objectives? First is to classify the different techniques to make a good and easy to remember website. And second, discuss the importance of easy to remember website names. And lastly, appreciate collaboration and sharing of one's website to other students in the class. Next po. So, the first strategy that you may use in creating your website name is by making a creative and catchy website names. So, if you will use the strategy of creating a new brand as your domain name, it's likely you will go on making up a word or creating a word that has no actually relation on your company. Next, please. So this creates the challenge of potential users not knowing what your company is all about by its name. But it can ultimately be the most powerful asset for shaping your company's identity. So when the potential users will get to know about your company because of their curiosity in the name of your domain or website, it will surely be helpful in building or shaping the image of your company. Next, please. So here, imagine you don't know these names or you don't have any idea yet on what are these websites all about. The Google, Yelp, Trivago, and BuzzFeed. I am sure that when you see these names like while you are surfing on the internet, it is likely that you will get curious of what content will you see when you visit their website. So as you search them, that's where you will find that, oh, Google is the internet search engine. It uses a proprietary algorithm that's designed to retrieve and order search results to provide the most relevant and dependable sources of data possible. And you will also find that Yelp provides a one-stop local platform for consumers to discover, connect, and transact with local businesses of all sizes by making it easy to make a reservation, make an appointment, or purchase, and the potential customer can see the crowdsourced reviews about businesses. And you will also find that Trivago is a meta search engine that compares accommodation prices and offers provided by many different online booking sites. And lastly, BuzzFeed, which is a news entertainment website that covers a large number of topics including politics, business, food, music, sports, and the latest technology. Next, please. So it's really vital to use a catchy and creative name in naming your website in order to catch the interest of the public. And the another strategy that you may use is by using a word that evokes emotion or feelings. But this name may not directly associated with your business. Next po. For instance, before, when people hear the word Amazon, they will only think about the massive jungle in South America. But now, when a person hears that name, he or she might think about the online superstore first. That is the impact of being known worldwide as an online superstore. Next, please. So, the another strategy that you can use in creating a domain name is taking a descriptive approach. It means your domain name clearly describes what your business does or what kind of content will the user will find on your website. It is where when the user sees your website name, they will immediately have an idea to the content of your website. Next po. So for example, weather.com, dictionary.com, realtor.com. So as you can see, when you see the name, you will already have an idea in weather.com. It is the weather channel, provides a national and local weather forecast for cities, as well as weather radar, report, and hurricane coverage. And dictionary.com is an online dictionary that provides millions of English definitions, spellings, audio pronunciations, example sentences, and word origins. And realtor.com is the trusted resource for home buyers, sellers, and dreamers, offering the most comprehensive source of for sale properties. And also, as you can see, those examples have only one word in their name. But don't be afraid to group multiple words together because it is possible. So, next po. So we have here the examples of domains that has a multiple words in its name, such as the tripadvisor.com, which is an online travel guide, the techsavvymom.com, which is a popular tech-focused parenting blog, and webdesignerdepot.com, which is a web design resources for designers. Next, please. So the potential risk of picking a descriptive domain name is that it's more difficult to create a brand identity around it. Descriptive domain names can hinder brand identity creation, as customers may not understand your company's unique selling proposition or services compared to competitors. Additionally, a descriptive domain name restricts a company's offerings beyond what it describes, making it challenging to expand its products or services if necessary. Next, please. So we have here some tips for naming your website. Pa-click na lang. So first, shorter the better. Shorter is often preferable when it comes to the length of your domain. Aim for 16 to 14 characters, keeping in mind that the less, the better. The shorter domain names were probably registered a long time ago and are now worth hundreds of dollars. Make it recognizable if you can find something short. Next, please. And also, it should be easy to spell. So what do you think is the common between Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google? They are all easy to spell. So since they are all easy to spell, there is a lower possibility that your visitor may visit the incorrect website. Next po. And third one is to think long term. One of the most important components of your brand for many years will be the name of your website. A website name is something you should always consider carefully because changing it later on can cost you money, as well as in terms of SEO or search engine optimization ranking and brand memory. Next po. And the last one, and I think This is the most important and helpful tips in creating your website name is to research it. Search first if there is already an existing name that is same as yours. Because make the effort to check if the name is trademark or copyrighted. Because failing to do so could result in a severe legal repercussions, and it is possible that you may lose your website's rights. Next po. So that's all for some tips and strategies that you may use in creating your website name. And now let's move on to how to collaborate website with your friends. And that will be demonstrated by Miss Alexis Carion. Thank you for listening.
So do you have any question with Miss Bea Cordova's presentation right now? If there is none, so we will proceed with the next presentation led by Miss, sino si Miss Cordova ba?
Caryon po,
Yun.
sir.
Miss
Opo,
Alexis Aires. Okay, sige, you may start
opo.
screen sharing and proceed with the presentation now.
Okay. Wait lang po, sir. May technical difficulties lang po. Is my screen visible na po ba? Wait lang. Ay, may naka-present pa po ata. Pwede pong, yan, thank you. Wait lang po, may internet connection problem.
Start with your screen sharing now. Ano?
Okay, wait lang po, sir. Humina po yung signal. No.
O ask somebody else to present it for you para walang problema.
Hindi po pwede sir since live demonstration po yung presentation ko po.
O paano na?
Wait lang po sir, ito na po. Is my screen visible na po ba? Since I'm already screen sharing. No pa rin.